Inspire music, baby.
This is the Legion.
For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head.
Okay, I had to make a choice between education and rap, cause education took so much of my time to be in the studio. That's when I called my mother and I told her that I'm done. She called my whole family and they thought I was dumb, but in my mind I knew that I was onto something big. I mean, I knew how much money rappers made in a week. I also thought about all of the shoes that I could buy. I also thought about all of the lives that I could change. That's why you never see me doing nothing every time. I'm always asking for all of this paper to be mine. Except don't worry about me, I got it all under control.
Don't worry about me, I got it all under control.
For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet to the head.
Nobody really understands me, cause everybody underestimates me. Nobody really understands me, cause everybody underestimates me. It's because I'm a rapper, not a doctor, right? If being a rapper is wrong, then I don't wanna be right. I wish all of the parents supported the kids' dreams. I wish my parents really knew how much this dream means. I wish that they could see the things I see when I'm asleep. I see myself in stadiums performing for my fans, and I really love my fans. I love you. That's why I named this album For My Fans. For my fans,
I will take a bullet to the head. For my fans, I will take a bullet